How are you doing? Today we're going to do a quick unboxing, review, and setup of this Fun Bliss baby mirror I purchased off of Amazon. Originally my wife had one she bought for her vehicle and I liked it so much I wanted to go out and get my own. I purchased this one off Amazon for about $12. I put a link to it in the comments below. If you do like this mirror and you want to purchase it, please click the link and purchase it that way because doing so will help support this channel. With that being said, let's get started.
I purchased this on Amazon and received it the next day. As you can see, it comes in a nice sized package and there's only one piece to it, the mirror itself, which is made of Splinter-Proof Plastic. It's a large mirror and allows you to see the surroundings around the child so you make sure they're extra safe. It also has this film on the front so it's not scratched during shipment, and the straps in the back have buckles so you can easily run the straps around your headrest and click them on to make it a very easy installation. The big selling point of this mirror over the others was the knuckle that allows everything to fit. My wife's didn't have this, and it was a problem for us. As you can see, this is what it does. Now let me show you how I installed the mirror in the back of my pickup truck. Simply, I flipped it over, unclipped the buckles on the back, and ran them around the rear of the headrest and clipped them together. From there, all you do is cinch the straps down. It took a little bit of finagling, but I got everything adjusted pretty quickly. I really like the tilting feature of this, and as you can see, here it is in full action. It's definitely better than the one my wife had for her vehicle. As you can see, this is how I organize the straps. Now, let's remove the plastic. And here it is, the final product. I love it. I can see the entire back of my truck.
Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video on the unboxing and setup of this mirror. It's something that I've had for a while, and in the last couple weeks, I've really liked it. It doesn't move much, it's high quality, and it's economically priced at $12. If this is something you think you'd like, in the comments below, click on the link I have there. Doing so will help support this channel, and it'll take you directly to it on Amazon, where you can purchase it for yourself. It's also included on Amazon Prime, so as an added bonus, if you do have Prime, you won't have to pay for shipping, which I think is a nice addition. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video today. Feel free to like and subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of great content like this that I offer, and being a subscribee of my channel will allow you to be notified the moment a new video comes out. With that being said, have a great day, and I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks.